What's up? Happy Thanksgiving, everybody. Getting ready to eat my hungry man dinner. Yeah. No, I'm just kidding, guys. Hold on. I got this hungry man dinner for my buddy. My buddy's gonna have that before I go to my friend's house for Thanksgiving. You want that, Jax? Hungry man? Huh? Maybe I'll take out the cranberry. I don't think you need cranberry. This is for you, buddy, later on. Anyway, guys, I'm over here peeling the potatoes. You see that? Getting the potatoes ready. Oh yeah, gotta make some fresh potatoes. All right, guys, happy Thanksgiving. Hungry man dinner for my pup. Only because I couldn't make it to Wawa to get that fresh bowl. I want to get him that gobbler bowl. Anyway, happy Thanksgiving, everybody.